Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotte Harvey. I am a mobile hairdresser, and if you're new here, I am here to inspire you into the hairdressing world because I think it has a lot to offer. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to pack your car boot, and I'm also going to give you a little bit of insight into my career in the last 4 years of becoming a mobile hairdresser. Previously worked in a salon for 6 years. So this was requested by one of my viewers, so thank you so much for this, and I'm going to get into the video. So a little bit of background. So I worked in a salon. I trained level 2 NVQ diploma in hairdressing, and this is here in the UK. I started off my career as a Saturday girl, and I worked my way through up for my qualifications. I didn't have the best training, which it was one of those things like, you need to do this, you need to do that, and okay, I probably wasn't as motivated as I probably could have been. And you know, it's down to you how your career goes. Like, if you're not in it, I was very much in it, it's just I found it really nerve-wracking. I didn't get given the confidence really. My salon was going through a lot of stuff, which affected me massively, so my career started off a little bit rocky. I went onto the salon floor for a year, and it proved quite difficult. I went in to do my level 3 hairdressing because I just didn't feel very confident, and my salon owner thought that level 3 would help me. It's a really tough industry, and you doubt yourself a hell of a lot, and even now I still do, but I have so much more confidence now. So fast forward to 2018, and there were some issues at my previous salon, and I ended up going, and I said to my partner I didn't know what to do, and he said, well, why don't you try mobile? And that, there's nothing wrong with mobile hairdressing at all, and there's nothing wrong with salons at all. You just have to be the right hairdresser, if I'm honest with you. So I came up with a plan with my partner, and we decided to set up my hairdressing business. It was really difficult to start off with because I didn't have a clue what to do. Now, I found a great lady who supported and shared her career path with everyone. Her name is Stephanie Harbour. I will leave a link to all her channels. She's on Facebook. She runs a group called the Hairy Business Lounge. She's got a few of them, all different things. So I'm part of her VIP group, and you just get way more in-depth like information and all the things that you need to know basically. But to set yourself up as an individual business, obviously you need to register yourself for HMRC. I would advise getting an accountant because I didn't have a clue how to do tax returns. Get yourself equipment, everything that you possibly need. If you've got it already, then great. But I would also get yourself some salon experience before you dive into this, because if you haven't been in a salon, you can't provide a good professional experience. It's just not, it's not going to work. I mean, there may be someone out there that has made it work, but you need that environment to start off with. As I say, I had that for 6 years, so I kind of knew what I was getting into. I had to do a lot of training myself when I went mobile, when I went freelance, when I went on my own. So I had to do a lot of training, and it is hard work. So I'd advise you to set yourself up a business account, because I feel like, for me personally, the business transactions are so important to separate them from your personal ones. I was getting so confused, nothing was working, and then when you give it to your accountant, it's so much easier for them. I would also have envelopes for each month. I would put all your receipts in there, again, ready for your accountant. I also do a monthly review of my business. So to keep everything ticking along, what I like to do is I do a monthly review, and this enables me to see what my numbers are and what I've bought in, what I've spent, how many clients I have in, and how many new clients I've brought in, and how many clients that haven't rebooked, so I can kind of keep an eye on it. And then I can also see how much product I've sold. There's so many little things that you can start doing now. You don't have to wait like I did for a long time to get everything together. If you can use this information now, it will be so much easier for you in your career when you first start out. So I've been asked to do a car boot, what's in my car boot video basically. So thank you very much to my viewer that asked me. So this is how my car boot looks. This is everything I need for an appointment for the day. So in here, to start off with, we have my shade charts, which kind of stay there. This part of the boot is just like extra spare stuff really. And then we have my bag. Now this one is to go into my clients' houses. This is purely for colour. So I use what's in here, I get out what I need for each client, and then I take this into my client's house. It's got my bowls in there. I have fold up bowls, and I've also got frame on ones as well. I've got my brushes in there, and then I've got like the tools that I need you know, for my actual colour appointments. Sorry, I got cut off there. So yeah, so basically this all comes into people's houses with me, has all the colours that I need. And in here I've bought these 2 crates from, I think it was Lidl, a little while back, and these are all my colours that are just like my stock. So over here I have all my opened tubes in all these little bags. My permanents are in there, plus my colourful stuff. My toners are in here, and my root shadows are in here, and just all the normal full head tints I do. And then so I can come in here and kind of go, right, which one do I need? I try and keep it as stocked as I possibly can, especially toners, because I do a lot of blondes. These are all used all the time, opened peroxide, so I keep them in here along with the bleach, and then my gloves in here. Then in this section here, again, this is all my used shampoos and things, the products that I need during my treatment. So again, I take them out, pop them in the pink bag, and they just kind of live in there, as well as my bottles for my toners and stuff. This is all stock, so this is just like unopened stuff, so I keep them in here, keep spares everywhere. Again, spare shampoos and things that I need for me, or for my clients rather, sorry. So I keep that all in there. And then I keep my towels and gowns and everything here. I've also got a towels and gowns bag, like an extra one in the front there, and I'll show you in a second. These are all for my clients, so like a lot of my clients ask for products and stuff, so I keep a few products stocked up in here because they always run out of shampoos on their next appointments. And then in there is just extra gloves and things. This was given to me by one of my clients. They're like shoe covers as well. I don't often need to use them because my shoes aren't muddy, but it's just there, needs be. I keep some spare foils in here, so I print my foils out and then stock them up in there. I keep all my consultation sheets and my skin test sheets all here, as well as my clipboard, which is what I take into my consultation appointments. So that's kind of it for the boot area. As you can see, it's fairly organised as much as possible. Just don't overcomplicate it, that's all I'd say. And then in here we keep my oh god, what's it called? Okay, so this is my fold-up chair. This is what a few of you have asked me about recently. So this basically folds out, push that down. It is ideal because it is good height for me. and it fits most of my clients. If you have slightly bigger clients, then I would just advise just getting using one of their chairs, just because, I mean, this chair's quite sturdy, it holds quite well, but obviously for someone who's a little bit wider hipped, I mean, I certainly am, so yeah, it's a sturdy chair. It's really well built, but just be aware of that. And then this is my Sybil roller coaster trolley, sorry, the one I've shown in previous video. I'll link that below as well so you can see. And then I'll go over to the other side. So this is where I keep my basin. This obviously comes with me every colour appointment, so this just stays in here like that. I put a towel down just because sometimes when I finish using it, the waste pipe leaks, so I want to kind of keep that seat nice and dry. Again, I've got my spare gowns and things in here. Anything I need, just kind of keep just attached to the seat, really. This is a working car, so this really doesn't matter how messy it looks. I keep a cool box in here as well. Summertime is the worst because you want to keep your sandwiches fresh and you can't because, you know, it's hot. So this just links up to the car, keeps it fairly cool when the car's off as well. Very handy. I definitely recommend it. And then I just keep a notepad in here just in case for, you know, emergency things. I do keep a bit of a bottle of water in here as well. I mean, it's sort of half used, but that's mostly for like if I run out of like washer fluid, so I can just kind of top that up. I've got a pump there just again in case my tyres go a bit flat. And then if we get into my car, it is disgusting. I apologise. So in here, I don't keep a huge amount. I have a little kind of like bit for emergencies and stuff, so I keep some spare change and things in that just in case of car parking and stuff, especially with brides. And then again in here, it's kind of a bit of an emergency kit really, so I'll have some like wipes and stuff, so sometimes if I go onto the petrol station and they don't have gloves, then I've obviously got diesel all over my hands, so I will use some wipes. And yes, I know wipes aren't the best for environment, but it is what it is. And then just a little bit of spray just in case, you know, just in case you start to smell. I keep my battery pack in here again just in case I break down. There's a hair clip in there. That's about it really. So that just kind of stays in there just as and kind of when I need it really. Then obviously sunglasses and all your typical stuff. I used to keep a stock of food in here again just in case like I didn't bring any lunch with me or I forgot. I need to restock this because apparently it needs some more food in there. But because I'm trying to eat healthily, I feel it's probably quite important to not keep snacks in my car. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little section of the video. I hope I've helped in some way. I hope I've kind of inspired you to take a dive into the hairdressing world. It is fun. Trust me, it is really good fun. I love it. I love what I do. I am going to be doing my own salon at some point in the future. And again, I will still be doing mobile because I quite enjoy driving around, to be honest with you. My car has everything. It really has everything. It's like a little office. So just make sure you keep yourself well stocked. Make sure that you bring your lunch with you. Make sure that you have drinks. Your clients most likely offer you drinks anyway, but just make sure you've got something to hand just in case they don't. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a few requests for my next few videos, so just keep a lookout for my page. I'll try and post as often as I possibly can, but I'm quite busy at the moment, so it's not always likely. So I will see you in my next video.